Hello tech lovers and welcome here to my channel. This is Tech with Bumi. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like and share this video because this channel is for entrepreneurs. Do you want to grow your channel? Your business. Do you want to grow your business? If you want to grow your business, then digital marketing is for you. Tips on how to grow your business is just all we do here. So I have good news for us today. As I always preach, you have to put your business online. You have to have your business on online presence. Okay, so in today's video I'll be giving you how to use Canva for free to create your website. Isn't that interesting? How to use Canva to create your website for free. If this is what you want, why not sit back and watch this video to the end, and we'll dive in to my computer shortly so that we'll start the tutorial. So without any further ado, let's dive into my computer. So this is our Canva app. This tutorial, you can, if you have a free Canva free, you can use it, and a Canva Pro too can use this app. So if you are new on Canva and you don't have a sign up yet, there's going to be a link in the description. So you click on it and you register and start creating your website. Yes, in as much as I can charge you for a website, that I can create a website for you, I would also love you to try this website, this Canva website, so that you don't even have to pay anything. It's totally free and your business will be out there. So for these tutorials, I already did a sample, but before I go into that, I would just, let's search websites. Just click on your website or you search it, type it website. And when you type the website, you have different options, right? So let me just take you through these different options before I go into the main website we want to create today. Okay, we have this website, which they are all templates, right? There are different templates you can use. You can just choose any of these templates and you start building your website. So this is website for Vera. So if I clicked on it again, this bio link is just similar to Linktree. If you're familiar with Instagram, I'm sure most of us can can succumb to that. This is a bio for LinkedIn. You can just create a blank one, linked website there, or you choose that different templates you can choose. Different templates. Isn't this interesting? And you just download it and upload it to your Instagram. And there's a way you can include your link. There's a way you can put your link into this, integrate your link into this website. So this is for bio link, like your website, like for your TikTok account, any of the bio link you have, you can just put this. It's similar to LinkedIn, if you know what I'm talking about. So now let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Sites. So it has different categories. So we have mobile first, which is the one we're going to be trying out today. Mobile first. So mobile first is, it has the good thing about it is it has most of all this has mobile version, and it can be open on your website, on your phone also, sorry, can be open on your phone. And we already have our templates ready. If you click on any of these templates, use it to you can just use it and create your own website, free website. I'm going to be doing a template on this website, but it's going to be for sale. If it's ready, I will let us know. I'll be doing a free template on this website so that you can have easy access to it for those that sells clothes, those that sell stuff that can have shop and integrate their prices into it. It's so interesting. Canva is very, very interesting. So right now, so right now, I'm gonna be so now I'm going to choose a template, which I already did. Let me show you the template I chose. I chose this template. I chose this template and I I will show you what I did with it in a short while. Just follow me. I hope you are enjoying this. If you like Canva, if you love Canva, kindly share this video out to your loved ones. If you don't need it, share it out to your loved ones. And please don't forget to like these videos, comment, and share so that YouTube will remember my channel and algorithm so that my video go out to people out there, to those that need this video. So this is the template I chose. So now I'll be showing you what I did with this template. Can you see? But I included one more page to my template, which is 4 pages. I did 4 pages website. So this is like a one. You can have a one-page website. You can have as many numbers of website, and you can also create your link. You can also put your shop on website if you sell clothes, if you sell any of the things you're buying and selling stuff. Turban, if you any of the things you want to sell, you can also create a website using Canva. So people that have been telling me I don't have money, this to create a website is expensive. I don't have money to create a website. Please take advantage of this and create your website. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to send me an email. Okay? So now I will go to home. I will go to home and I'll go to all my designs, which I already created. This is what I did, right? So I'll just be giving you what I did, right? I added my logo and the text here. Then I included my YouTube link. To put your YouTube link, you click here, you come to this place and you click here. Can you see my YouTube link? You just insert your YouTube link, okay? And that is it. So then I embedded 2 of my videos because I called it Canva tutorials. This I'll be sending it out on my email list. So Canva tutorials, how did I embed it? I went like this. I click on I inserted my YouTube videos into this. So to embed your videos into this website, if you want to create something like this, you just go to this place, you click on more, you click on more and you see embedded, or you click on embed, okay, and it will bring you here. Then you just go to your channel, any of your videos you want to put here, you click, you put it here, you paste it on this place, and it's going to come up here, right? So this is how I created my website, and this is what I used for my template. I posted it on my previous video. So, and I'm going to show you how it's going to open here. So I added my pictures. You can decide to put something else, okay? So let's go to the second page. I don't want this. This is a mistake. Let's go to the second page. So the second page, I recently did an email signature where I gave my subscribers free templates. So if you click on this template, you will see it will take you to the template, right? So you just write your text here and you put your pictures. All this, you put your pictures. This is not clickable, but it's just a screenshot that I put here, right? But if you click on this free template, it's going to take you, and you can start editing the templates to suit your choice. So if this is what you want, I have a video on it. I'm going to attach it to this video. So just check it out. Okay. And I did a demo on how to use this. Okay. So now I added my shop because I sell templates. Okay. If you don't know, I sell templates. I have business card templates. I have different types of templates. I have motivational templates. But this particular video, I have a thank you template, and I'm going to be doing a website template also for us to make it easy for us. So in this video, I'm just going to be focusing on the motivational template. So this is what I did. It has the mobile version, it has the tab version, and it has the desktop version. So I just put it there. Then I put buy now because I put the link of my of where to direct them to buy. This is the link, okay? But unfortunately, I just closed my ST account. I'm going to be explaining the reason why I closed my ST account in further videos, okay? So if you click this now, it's not going to work, but I'm going to add another link to it so that it can work, okay? So for those that don't have, it's easy, super easy. Under 1 hour you're done, okay, with this your website. So for those that don't have Canva, you can easily download it. It's a free download. It's an affiliate with Canva, and you get free Canva used. So you just put this up and you sign up and you start using your Canva. This Canva is so interesting, okay? Very, very interesting. So now, after doing all this, you want to publish. Let me tell you how you're going to publish it. So that you want to publish it. So let me tell you how to publish it. You can decide to open it as a presentation. It will give you different options, right? It will give you different options. You can decide to open it as a presentation, scrolling, navigation, and standard. But for the benefit of these tutorials, I'm going to be doing strolling. Okay, so I'm going to open our website now, and you see how it comes out. Can you see the way it came out? So now I'll be clicking on this clickable stuff so you can see that it's actually working. This is the desktop version, and is also you can easily see it on the mobile version. Okay, so now this is my YouTube channel. It will direct you to my YouTube channel. Can you see? To direct it to my YouTube channel, and If I click on this video is going to click also. It's already, can you see? Can you see? It's already playing, and same here. So I'm going to pause it. Same here too. If you want to see, it's going to. So isn't this interesting? So then this is the template. You click on this, you get your template, and you start designing straight off. Can you see? Can you see? You get your template. This is the template I did. I did an example already. This is the template. So good for you. So watch the video. I'm going to be attaching it here. So we're almost rounding up. If you're enjoying what you're saying, kindly like, share this video. This is the final, and this is my shop. Okay? But it's not going to work as I said, so I won't be clicking it. And this is the final one. You download your Canva. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. If you enjoyed it, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.